Hey yo, you ready? Let's do it.
Here, my boy Foley, getting ready to grapple a bit. Workout number 2 for the day.
I'm the definition of half man, half drugs, ass the clubs, bad boy, that's what's up. After bucks, crush crews after us. No games, we ain't laughing much. Nothing but big things. Check the hit list, all the twist shit. What changed but the name? We still here, you're rocking with the best. Don't worry if I write rhymes, I write checks. Who's the boss? Who's is lost? Don't think cause I'm iced out, I'ma cool off. Who else but me? And if you don't feel me, that means you can't touch me. It's ugly, trust me. Get it right, dog, we ain't never left. We just move in silence and rep to the death. It's official, I survived what I've been through. Y'all got drama, the saga continues. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We can't get stopped now, cause it's bad boy for life. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We can't be stopped now. It's bad boy.
Hey, look, straight from the Harlem streets. I don't play, I push it down with the Harlem heat. All of a sudden, niggas got a problem with me. Black, what how they running around acting like the black don't can't eat. And you know what? For some strange reason, I'm on for this medication, feeling the rain's leaving. For y'all to put the word out. We ain't leaving. We tryna be rich before we all stop breathing. Therefore, we tryna hustle lanes. Stay laying down our muscle game. Still turn niggas' dreams to flame. You got the wire? If not, I ain't saying no names. You should expire. No pain. I feel remorse, but some cautious. Me and Diddy up first racing Porsches with the big twin valve exhausted. On the cover of your vibes, double like cells and sauces, bitch.
Going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We can't be stopped now, cause it's bad for life. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We can't be stopped now, cause it's bad for life.
It ain't shit changed since the notorious. See, everything is still glorious. We still got warriors, still be victorious. A lot of them, but it's more of us. Still got cash to blow, raps to flow. Still them cats to know, pack to flow. That's for sure. Bottle to pop, joints to rock. Play the background, handle my job, holding my clock. Little boy to get, balls to flip, balls to sit at and sip cognac with tips to drip. Hard to see, make sure they knowin' it's me. Drop that D, can't believe that I am C. Bad boy to the casket drop, gotta love it. Can't sleep in the bubble, make sure like that. Don't always gonna be here. We here. Every motherfucker's here.
You gotta double down, man. Got it.
We ain't going nowhere. We gon' stay right here forever and ever.